Well, alright guys, that was a super fun game at Planet Z. Well, welcome back guys to Mariner of the Seas, episode number 7 I believe. And in today's video, we are back in Mariner of the Seas, and that's right guys, I am finally got to the helipad. Pretty out, right guys? We are on a 5-ship day here. We have the Grand Classica, the Carnival of Liberty, us, the Mariner of the Seas, the Celebrity Equinox, and the Carnival Ecstasy. Now this is a 5-ship day, and as a matter of fact, we have 5-ship days a lot in Port Canaveral, but it's cool to see it here in Nassau, and a lot of crowds too, going to their excursions. Again, without further ado, here's a look around the helipad. Again, like I said over there's a Celebrity Equinox. Like I said over there, a lot of people walking around. And yeah, a lot of people walking around. There's a live band walking around, the live drumming band, like around it. And we've had some Canada here, maybe. Right down there is the world famous Nassau sign with all those keychains and stuff. That's right down there. Yeah, over there we got the Carnival of Liberty and the Grand Classica. So again, that's kind of it for here at the Mariner of the Seas helipad, guys. It's now time to go back to the Flowrider. We're going to be riding that for 2 hours. And hopefully, due to it being a port day and is a 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock session, hopefully the lines are a little bit shorter than usual. Because if they are, that would be amazing. I mean, this morning we had only like 3 of us, which was super cool because usually last Nassau, if you guys remember the Mariner of the Seas, they didn't really show this to you guys, but the lines, it was about, it was very long lines, but the good thing about the last cruises was it was a mixed session. That means boogie and stand-up can do both, and that means I could basically ride stand-up the whole cruise, but they only had 2 instructors. So one, every time someone had to sign a waiver, someone had to go over there and do the whole paperwork thing. That means we had to do boogie only till the instructor came back. So it was a pain. Luckily here they have 3 instructors, which is cool. I guess it's a new thing Royal Caribbean is doing where they have to have 2 instructors for boogie boarding too, which I guess is good for the insurance reason. Hey guys, I'm in the middle of the stand-up Flowrider session here on board the Mariner of the Seas. I thought I'd break in and tell you something I could firstly dropped in. And I'd say I dropped in like 5 times, but I mastered it. I was able to get in without hitting the like the flaps down there. See the flaps right down there. So I'm very happy. Sadly, there's no one to film me dropping in, so you'll just have to trust me that I dropped in. So we'll see maybe at Lazer. I think we're doing that later today. Well, alright guys, that is it for the Flowrider for today, guys. If you guys couldn't tell, there was no line, guys. One of the perks about staying on the ship at port is there's like basically no line for anything. Anyway guys, I'm heading back to the room now. Hopefully I'm gonna go get changed, and then we're gonna play some laser tag. Hopefully I'm not take the GoPro on, but if I'm not, you're just going to see some B-roll from Royal Caribbean.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Commence now.
guys, that was a super fun game at Planet Z. This is Royal Caribbean's laser tag experience here on board the Mariner of the Seas. Also, we're on Independence of the Seas and on the beautiful Navigator too. Guys, it is nighttime. Whoa, 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 it's nighttime. And look at that, guys. You know, I remember saying there used to be the Celebrity Equinox and the Carnival Paradise. Well, they're gone. So I'm gonna go ahead to the helipad right now. We're gonna go see what other ships are there. Maybe the Liberty left too. So let's go to the helipad. Here we go. Alright, we're almost there to the helipad, guys. I know this camera's not going to do that great in low light, so you can see my commentary. I left all the other cameras in the cabin. I'm gonna go back there, take it ready for dinner. But yeah, we're gonna go to helipad now and see if we can see the Bahamas Paradise. Did that leave, or did the Carnival Liberty? So let's go to the helipad and go see it. Well, all right, guys, we're here. We're to the helipad, and you guys heard it, guys. The horns of the Grand Classica is leaving port, guys. That's going back to West Palm Beach. Let's wave goodbye. Goodbye. The only ship left at port, and we are here until 8:30. So when I'm eating dinner, we're gonna see a beautiful Sailaway from Nassau, Bahamas. But let's go say goodbye to the Bahama Paradise Grand Classica. Well, alright guys, that was an amazing quick sail away of the Grand Classica. Now, I do want to get the chance to take a tour of her. I would not want to sail on her. Actually, I would want to sail on her. We'll see how the Bahama Paradise is. I heard that they're very cheap. Speaking of that, we're going to go ahead to the Crown and Anchor Loyalty. I know the lighting's really bad right here, but my apologies. But we're going to go to the Crown and Anchor Loyalty Lounge, the Diamond Lounge. I get some drinks because it's happy hour and I get some free drinks. Yeah, without further ado, let's go to the Diamond Lounge. Well, alright guys, I didn't really film in the Diamond Club, but yeah, great time in there. It's good being back in the Mariner Diamond Club, but anyway guys, now we're going to go to dinner. Well, alright guys, we are here in the MDR, about to eat dinner, guys. Tonight I'm going to get the crispy calamari. You know, that's pretty good. I have this almost every cruise. It's one of my highlights of the cruise. And I also getting the roast beef tenderloin. I like to have it with nothing on it because basically takes out the flavor, makes it taste good. And for dessert, I'm gonna try the carrot cake, I think, and the apple pie. And yeah, you're gonna go see it with the review in a few seconds. So, well, alright guys, it is time to dig into the crispy calamari. So, let's give it a try now. Okay. So this overall, before I actually eat them, overall thoughts, it's not that crispy, but they're usually never that crispy, so yeah, well, I'll let you guys know my thoughts right after I give it a try. Well guys, that was some pretty good calamari. There actually was some crispy pieces in there, so again, very great. My microphone's vibrating now because we are heading out to sea for our last sea day, but we're not gonna get there yet. Anyway, back to the regular scheduled programming. Well, alright guys, my entree is here, so I got here the roasted beef tenderloin. No sauce because if I want a steak, I want to try it without the sauce. It really does define the steak and decide if it's a good or a bad steak. Also, because I didn't get sides with the meal, I got French fries. They're hot and they're fresh, so again, if you want good French fries, but you don't want to pay to go to Johnny Rockets to get those French fries, the main dining room is a great option for that. Well guys, that was an unbelievably good roasted beef tenderloin. It was roasted. It was perfection. It tasted so good. I would highly recommend it. I had this last cruise and it literally is a must try here on the menu at the MDR. Alright guys, it's here, my dessert spread. So I got the carrot cake because people requested I try that. So I got two of the best dessert in Royal Caribbean's MDR menu, the apple pie, top notch. And I got a lot of ice cream. So you guys know I did a review a few series ago on the apple pie. You won't see this again, but I'm going to do a review on the carrot cake now. So you're gonna see it right now. Alright guys, I'm trying the cake. I'm slashed because I have to get it in frame. But well, anyways, here it is. The cake. You know, like you guys like seeing people cut a cake, so here we go. Oh no. Okay, take two. Here we go. It tastes, guys, like a creamy, carroty. Again, pretty good so far. First thoughts, pretty good. taking a stroll, guys, because that's what it is. I'm gonna go to helipad, my second favorite spot on the ship. Let's see if we can see any cool stars like our last cruise, because this is usually the best night to see stars because we're kind of far away from the city and the lights. So let's go see if we can see any stars from the helipad. Well, guys, I know you can't really see me right now, but it is here. There isn't as many as last time, but truly a lot of them here on the helipad. And I'm gonna take some photos, and if they turn out okay, I'm gonna show them right after this. Alright guys, I know this is a little windy out right now, but we're making our way back in, and guys, hopefully I took some great photos. Hope you guys did enjoy them. But I don't know what I'm gonna be doing now. I may call it a night, but if so, guys, that is it for this episode of the Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog series. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and since if you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button right down below, because that really does help me and it helps supports the channel. And since you're down there, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video in this Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog series. Again, tomorrow we are at sea, guys. So until next time, guys, I am Tyler, and you're watching The Tyler Show.